So yeah, good day guys. Welcome to today's class. We are going to do a sample of a wedding video using an app called Benine. There's the app. So you can actually download the app from Play Store, or maybe probably I would drop the link so that you can download it directly. Or maybe I will just put it on the drive so that you can download it. So here we go. So for those of you that haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that you can be updated on new things with regard to graphics work and then videography. Let me enter the app. So here is the interface of the app. You can see I actually have 3 projects here. I have this one, and this one. These are projects that I've already delivered, I've already did. So for you to actually do your own project, you see here where you see this plus icon, you press it and then it will take you to where you can impute the name of your project here. Let's see. Let me show Rita. Okay. Rita. Just press OK. And then here's the interface of the app here. So here's the first thing that you can actually see at the interface. So clicking on here, you see sticker where you actually have this one. If you actually press here, it will direct you to your gallery, to your file manager, where you can actually pick the image that you want to insert. So here is it. And then for here where you see, okay, let me enter sticker again because there are some items here that I'm supposed to discuss. And then for this one, it will actually direct you to the file gallery also, so that you can impute it. This one is RVG, and then for this one is just animation. Like if you have an existing animation that you want to impute, so you can actually insert it here. And then the next thing is, you see this one under pick your own. That's your own view, you can pick it from your gallery. And then this one are actually customized one that the app comes with. So these are something that you can actually work with. So these are, you can actually insert this one on your work when it is required. So for this, you see text here. Here is where you write your, let's see, chemistry guys. You can see here. So in here, you see here, this one here is where you actually pick your font. You can change it. You know the app comes with a kind of font. For now, I cannot say you cannot add fonts. But for now, I only know that the app has fonts that you can use. And then in here, you can see this up arrow here, and then this one down. So for the up one here, it shows whether you will increase the size of your text. You see, you can see it is increasing. You can click on the number here in order to just impute it. Let's say 150. You see the font size has actually increased. Let's say 500. You see, 500. It seems like the limit is 300. So here is it. So for you to actually reduce this font, you actually have to click here, the down arrow. You see it is actually decreasing. So here is it. So for This one, let me see. I have Gaius Yusuf. Let's see, this is what I want to impute. So you can see here, in here, you can see here. Let me reduce the size to 100. So from here, this one is like spacing. Let's see. You see? It's like spacing actually. It's like spacing. So let's see, I want this one to be centralized. Let's see, I want the name to be at the center, this one to at the center here, so that it's just like alignment. So you see, I actually have to press this. Okay, this one is just for those of you that are already conversant with Microsoft Word and other, Microsoft tools. I think this one shouldn't be a problem. So in here you can see select color. You can pick color from here. Let's say I pick this, so you can see this is how it looks like. And then for the duration of the video, you can actually add the duration from here, or maybe lowers the duration from here, and then in here is delay, and then for you to force here. So these are them. With time you will get used to these tools, but I know for sure for now, maybe on my next class you can understand that one. So in here you see animation. So this animation is just here. Let's see, I pick this flash. Maybe let's say we have different of them. You can pick each and every, and you can pick any one of your choice. Yeah, let's say I pick this. So I will just go back, and then for this, okay, let's see the effect of this first. I will come here to where you see, this. That means it should play. You see the effect of what we just did. You see the effect. All right, here we go. Now you see the duplicate here. For you to duplicate it, I know you are already familiar with duplicating. You are already familiar with this, and then this one is font, and then this one is bring to fonts, and then this one is bring to back. I think you know this one on your Pixel app. And then this one is to delete. Let's say I want to delete this. You see it has been deleted. So here we go. And then in here, this one BG is just for you to pick your background. So let's see, I'm going to pick an image from my gallery. I will go to recent. Maybe I will go to where my gallery is, my BG is. Let's say I want to pick this. So you see, it has become my background. So yes, this is how this one works. And then in here you see a hand icon here. It shows the one that will it shows the hand that you actually want to be writing on top of the thing. Let's say I pick this. Okay, I pick this. Let me go and review my work by clicking there. Okay, let's say I pick this. Okay, I've already then make this one to be default. And then you see, so you see the effect, right? So you actually see the one writing. So for me to, if you can actually see the writing are very fast, so for you to increase the duration is just for you to click there up, that this up icon. Let's say I want to make it to be 3. You can see 3.0. so let's review it. You see now it's a little bit slow, so that is how that one work. So which one again? So this one is just align them. So for this music, you can click on music and then go to here where it will direct you to your file manager, and then you just pick an audio that you want so that it can play. I don't know if I have audio. Let me check if I have one audio. Let me check so that I can make an example with it. I don't want this one to be a little bit let's say I want to use this journey tool. So let me review press the review icon here, review icons. So you can actually see the effect of this. So here is how the thing works for this, and then I think this is the major things. So for here is here at the top here, you can see this one is save icon. Let's say I want to save my work. You just click on it, you see save. So here is how to use just an introductory fact to your wedding video app. So on the next video, I will actually do a kind of video so that you can understand much better. Thank you very much. See you on the next class.